Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Now listen, today we're going to be talking about how to know which coins are possibly going to be doing better in the bull market compared to others. Now, this is a very good method. It pretty much requires two things. However, right, of course, you have to always be aware, like if something came out very bad against AKT, like the owner wants to change certain things and people aren't happy, investors are taking out, you would expect that coin to crash, sorry, no matter how good the technical analysis looks or anything like that. Anyways, let's look at it. So Bitcoin crashed thousands of dollars just a couple days ago, and now we're already back to $61,500, which is absolutely phenomenal. And first off, I just want to say this candle, this daily candle, right? It pretty much started at 54,500 and pretty much hit $63,000. So around $8,500 to $9,000 gain in one day. Now that is something. We haven't had that. We may have had that somewhere back there, but we haven't had that pretty much ever or in recent times. And for me, that is the real indication that we're not going to be going down to these levels anymore. Okay. This candle is absolutely huge. It is absolutely phenomenal. And usually what happens is, right, when price goes down and you have a big buy candle, we might have a little bit of retracement, but we have a heavy, you know, we have heavy momentum to the upside. Anyways, let's look at some coins and see which ones are possibly really good and which ones might be worse. So the method is you pretty much go on TradingView, right? Or some kind of platform. And I like TradingView. So I go here, I look at pretty much the bottom to where it is right now or where it was. And I can see that it retraced and went up pretty much 44 to 1.53%. That is good. Now if I go to Miro, let's see how Miro is doing, right? We take pretty much the bottom, 47, and it's not even perfect, so it's actually a little bit higher. PNG, right? We take the bottom and we put the current price 60%. That is amazing, right? Render, let's see, render is probably gonna be around 40 to 50%, 47. And I mean, look, obviously, look, there's some context. Things like Ethereum, it's harder to move because there's more money involved, right? So there you go. I expected less, 27%. But still, it is still very, very good. So that is one of the ways. Let's just look at some other coins like XRP possibly. I mean, damn, XRP actually really recovered. This thing actually might explode very, very soon. Even though I'm still kind of like on XRP, but this thing actually might explode really, really soon. Hello Labs. Let's look at Hello Labs. Look, this thing looks kind of dead, right? Let's be very, very honest. From the bottom to here, only 18 to 19%, which has been the lowest. Now, the second thing is, right, we want to look where price is. Right now, if we look at Hello Labs, right, at one point we were all the way up here, riding, in a plane. Now we're in the pits of hell. So an 18% gain is like, not as lower than most coins. Look where we are, right? Now, you don't need to be a professional at this, right? You don't need to be someone that's like me and has been looking at these kind of charts for years. You can just be like a regular person, and you just literally have to look with your eyes exactly where the price is and just be like, wait, did this go down a lot? Like we see Turbo here, now Turbo's here, right? Respectively, it went down a decent amount, but it's not like it's somewhere down here, correct? Solana, right? Solana went up a decent amount. Now Solana's here, right? It's not like Solana went down here or here. Miro. Miro, yes, it is actually a little weaker, but it's it's kind of like underwhelming slash getting to the bad part, but it's not like it's down here kind of like the way Hello Labs was. And this might just sound dumb, but it's actually very, very simple way to dictate how good coins are going to do. Now, this is like the most noob friendly way, okay? And it's very, very easy. I just showed you guys, right? You just literally have to just see with your eyes, the price, the top is here, the bottom is here, where are we at currently? Okay, that's not that bad, right? If render was somewhere like, recovering over here, I'd be way more worried, okay? And that is just the truth. But as it's right now, I'm chilling, okay? And yeah, everything looks good, guys. Hope you guys are buying more coins. Hope you guys are enjoying it. And I'll talk to you guys next time.